Hey everyone, so in this video, I'll show you how to copy a list in Clickup. This is the full guide for 2026. And yeah, it's perfect if you want to duplicate tasks, reuse workflows, or move a list into another space or folder. First, log into your Clickup account and open the workspace that contains the list you want to copy. Navigate to the exact list you want to duplicate. Now look at the top right corner of the list and click on the three-dot menu. This opens the list settings where copy options live. From the menu, choose the option that says Copy List. ClickUp will open a setup window where you can control how the list is duplicated. Here you can choose where the copied list should go, same folder, a different folder, or even another space. You can also decide what to include, like tasks, subtasks, statuses, custom fields, attachments, and assignees. Take a moment here. This decides how complete your copied list will be. Once everything looks right, confirm the copy. ClickUp will create a duplicate list with the same structure and content based on your settings. After the process finishes, open the new list and double-check everything. Make sure tasks, fields, and statuses copied correctly, especially if this is for a client or team workflow. Copying a list does not affect the original list, so it's completely safe. If you plan to reuse the list often, consider saving it as a template instead. That can save you even more time. And yeah, that's how you copy a list in ClickUp in 2026. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.